Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing my food diary plan with me. I'll be using this Dollar Tree planner that I'm using temporarily until I get back to the craft lab. I also created another kit to work with the Dollar Tree planner. This is the B6 size planner that's available at Dollar Tree. The planner kit that I did for last week's spread, this is what it looks like. I really like that, so I decided to do another one. This is the base page, which is the same setup as the one I just showed you, but I also included an additional page so that you could play around with the weekends and the headers. And then you actually have some additional boxes to work with along with some numbers. So because I do not have access to a Cricut or a Silhouette right now, I am cutting these by hand. I'm using this slice tool, and I will put a link to it in the description box below. It's a ceramic blade. I just feel a little safer with this than an X-Acto knife, and I'm going to do my best to manually kiss cut probably not all of these, but the ones that I know I will probably use. And I try to make these as plain and straight edged as possible so that if you are manually cutting like this, that it's pretty easy and simple to do. Okay, so I think I have them all cut. So since you've seen how this layout looks, I think I'm gonna do an alternate style on this week's. So I'm gonna be planning for the week of the 13th through the 19th of April. Let's go on and get started. I don't think I need to white out the month because this is pretty opaque, so I don't think that that will peep through. So I didn't cut it exactly perfect, but I did as best as I could with what I got. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna line this up with that bottom line. That. And by the way, this kit is called Tiffany. I do have some other kits. One of them is called Tiffany Blue. So this is a play on that kit. And I have to say, I'm definitely going to be looking into getting a color laser printer. That's what I've used to print these stickers, and I really love the quality of them. So the thing that's different in this kit is that I have the strips that go all the way across. You also have the days. I have the days of the week that go to the side like this. So we're going to do it that way. If I could lay down the sticker straight, that would be great. I guess that's as straight as I'm going to get it because of the way they are cut. But let's go ahead and lay down the strips. So the strips go across like this, and that would go underneath the day of the week. So I need to lay down the strips first. So the way these are, if you put down your strips or your faux washi or whatever you want to call it, then you could also put your day of the week here or to the side, however you want to do it. So let me move this over just a hair. Okay, so let's put all of these down first. And actually they could go, you could do it either way. It could actually go over like this. However you want to do it. I think I like it the other way. Oops. I peeled off the toner doing that. Silly. But the date will cover that up, so we'll be okay. So then this goes here like so. Washi strip. I'm going to hold off on the weekend setup because I want to show you that you have this full box here that can be used to cover the whole weekend, or you can use, if I can peel it up. Okay, or you can use these boxes. So I gave you options for the weekend. So you could use these boxes along with the smaller Saturday and Sunday. So I'm not sure which option I want to use yet. I think I'm going to use this one. But let's keep playing and see what we can come up with. So far, we've basically used the second sheet and the headers from the first sheet. Keep going. Since I'm not going to be using these on the days of the week, I will save those for another spread. I'm going to go ahead and use this full box for the weekend. Hopefully I can get this to lay down right. There we go. Okay, so that covers the whole weekend. Then let's go in and put the Saturday and Sunday. So you can kind of line these up however you want. Do I want to do them this way? Let's see how that looks. I think I am gonna just put it on the side, on either side. Should I make it go like this? Yeah. Now you could also put it at the top in the center like that. But I'm just gonna, since all of these are on the side, let's stay consistent and do them on the side. And that's not in the middle. Okay. So then that will leave us room for our date maybe. So I think I said it was the 13th through the 19th. So I'm gonna put 19, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, yeah. Yep. So 18. And you could probably put your dates wherever you want. I'm just gonna keep it simple and put them right here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of boxes down since I do have some bleed through from the other page. Let's see, I may be able to trim down one of these. Let's see how that's gonna look. If I do one, I probably need to do two. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Why not? Let's do it. Even though it's not on the one that has the shadow, I still like the way it looks. So I'm gonna have to peel this up a little bit to get this under here. It's gonna be a lot of layering. Ugh, the toner is coming off. Maybe I don't like that too much. So I know I have to be careful with peeling these up because of the toner. So this one, I don't think I'm gonna peel it up. I think I'm just gonna trim it off. So that I don't mess up the sticker that's already there. All right, I think that's it. It would be nice to put like a little quote or something up there. Maybe some diamonds from another kit. I am gonna see how this box looks here. Nope. Okay, so the one thing that I don't have on here is a doll. And so I was already looking through my dolls and I saw this one for Coco's Vision that I think she would work. But I don't know where I want to put her. I think I'm going to put her here. And if you didn't notice, we didn't use any washi. So I may use a little bit down here at the bottom. Let's see what other dolls we have. I wanted to use one from JD in Brooklyn. This is the one. Just put her right there. And then do one of these boxes. With the silver in it. Let's see what washi we have that could work. This one with the silver. I don't really need washi. But we'll put a little bit down here at the bottom. So that's it for this week's food diary plan with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye! Let's do another giveaway. For this giveaway, all the details will be in the description box below. I will be giving away the 2-page Tiffany printable sticker kit.